Alarm priming failure. How can I solve this? Left the pool on backwash mode for more than I should. Chances are what's going on here is it sounds like a just Pentair variable speed teleflow pump, where if you ran on backwash for longer than you should, I'm guessing you drained the water level too low, where the skimmer probably sucked air while it was still in priming mode, so it kicked itself off. Basically it sucked dry because I had issues priming, and it just shut itself down so it didn't cause any damage. Chances are you just prime it back up and restart it. I mean, you can close the skimmer if indeed the water is low, otherwise you can fill it back up and then try again, but with the little detail that's in the question, that would be the route I would think you'd have to go.
If you do get an alarm, how do you reset the pump? I know sometimes it locks you out. So what would the
that's more
process
of the superflow variable speed. I mean, as far as like the IntelliFlow and stuff, it's just a matter of usually hitting the reset button. A lot of times you feel like you're locked up, you're hitting the wrong button. It just doesn't let you do anything, but if you hit the reset button, then you should be okay.